She did not arrive in Hollywood through decades of family fame, yet there was always something undeniably captivating about her presence. With a rare combination of confidence, elegance, and emotional depth, Elizabeth Yu didn't simply step into the entertainment industry hoping to be noticed. She gradually built a reputation as a talented young actress capable of bringing complexity and authenticity to every role. By taking on the iconic role of Princess Azula in Avatar: The Last Airbender, she introduced herself to a global audience and established herself as one of the most promising rising stars of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on October 6, 2002, in the United States, Elizabeth Yu developed an interest in storytelling and performance from a young age. While many aspiring actors dream of success, she focused on building the skills necessary to thrive in a highly competitive industry. Her early years were shaped by curiosity, creativity, and a determination to pursue opportunities that challenge her as both an artist and an individual. As she entered the world of professional acting, Elizabeth steadily gained experience through television and film projects. Rather than relying on shortcuts, she embraced the gradual process of developing her craft. Casting directors quickly recognized her ability to portray emotionally layered characters, while audiences responded to her natural screen presence and expressive performances. A defining milestone arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Princess Azula in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. The role carried enormous expectations due to Azula's legendary status among fans of the original animated series. Intelligent, ambitious, and exceptionally powerful, Azula is one of the franchise's most memorable characters. Elizabeth approached the challenge with dedication, balancing the character's intimidating confidence with the emotional complexity hidden beneath the surface. As the series progressed into its second season, her role became even more significant. Season 2 explores Azula's strategic brilliance, growing influence within the Fire Nation, and increasingly complicated personal struggles. These developments allow Elizabeth to showcase a broader emotional range while bringing depth to a character often defined solely by her strength and ambition. Her portrayal has generated considerable attention from viewers eager to see one of the franchise's most compelling storylines unfold. By 2026, Elizabeth Yu is widely regarded as one of Hollywood's emerging young talents. Industry professionals recognize her professionalism and versatility, while audiences appreciate her ability to bring authenticity to demanding roles. Her career reflects careful growth, built through dedication, preparation, and a willingness to embrace challenging opportunities. Away from the spotlight, Elizabeth maintains a balanced and grounded lifestyle. She values personal development, creative exploration, and maintaining strong connections with family and friends. Despite the demands of an increasingly busy career, she continues to prioritize growth both professionally and personally. Her fashion style reflects modern sophistication with a youthful edge. Whether attending premieres, interviews, or industry events, Elizabeth often chooses elegant contemporary looks that highlight her confidence without appearing overly extravagant. Her growing visibility has also attracted attention from fashion publications and lifestyle media outlets. While public curiosity often extends to her personal relationships, Elizabeth prefers to keep much of her private life away from constant attention. Instead, she focuses on her work, artistic development, and the opportunities ahead. Those who have worked with her frequently describe her as dedicated, respectful, and committed to delivering her best performance on every project. As of 2026, Elizabeth Yu's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, streaming projects, film appearances, endorsements, and other professional ventures. Although still early in her career compared with many established Hollywood stars, her growing popularity suggests significant long-term potential within the entertainment industry. What many fans admire most is her ability to bring emotional nuance to powerful characters. Rather than relying solely on dramatic moments, she creates performances that feel genuine and believable. That authenticity has become one of the defining qualities of her work and a major reason why audiences continue to connect with her performances. Elizabeth Yu's journey continues to evolve with every new role. From a young performer pursuing her passion for acting to portraying one of fantasy television's most iconic characters, her rise reflects discipline, perseverance, and a genuine love for storytelling. As she continues building her career in 2026, she stands as a symbol of the entertainment industry's next generation, talented, focused, and ready for an exciting future. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of Hollywood stars, yet there was always something about him that commanded attention. With a calm confidence, disciplined work ethic, and the ability to portray both strength and vulnerability, Dallas Liu didn't simply become another young actor in the entertainment industry. He gradually established himself as one of Hollywood's most promising talents, transforming years of dedication into performances that resonate with audiences around the world. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 21, 2001, in Los Angeles, California, United States, Dallas Liu discovered his passion for performing at an early age. Alongside acting, he dedicated much of his childhood to martial arts, developing discipline, athleticism, and mental focus. Years of rigorous training not only shaped his character, but also provided the physical skills that would later become a valuable advantage for action-oriented roles in television and film. His professional acting journey began with guest appearances in television series, where he steadily gained experience and refined his craft. Rather than achieving instant fame, Dallas built his career step by step, taking on diverse roles that showcased his versatility and commitment. His performances demonstrated a natural screen presence that quickly attracted the attention of producers and casting directors. A significant milestone came with his role in the acclaimed comedy series Pen 15, where he displayed emotional depth and maturity beyond his years. He later appeared in Marvel Studios' Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings, further expanding his experience in major Hollywood productions and introducing himself to an even broader international audience. The defining chapter of his career arrived when Netflix cast him as Prince Zuko in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Portraying one of the franchise's most beloved and complex characters carried enormous expectations. Zuko's journey is built upon conflict, redemption, family, and personal growth, demanding emotional nuance as well as convincing action performance. Dallas embraced the challenge with dedication, honoring the spirit of the original character while bringing his own interpretation to the role. As the series progressed into its second season, his performance reached new heights. Season 2 explores Zuko's internal struggles, evolving relationships, and gradual transformation, allowing Dallas to demonstrate a wider emotional range while performing increasingly demanding action sequences. His commitment to authentic martial arts choreography and character development earned praise from viewers around the world. By 2026, Dallas Liu is regarded as one of Hollywood's fastest-rising young actors. Industry professionals recognize his professionalism, directors value his versatility, and audiences admire his ability to portray emotionally layered characters. His career reflects consistent progress built upon preparation, discipline, and thoughtful role selection. Away from the cameras, Dallas maintains a balanced and active lifestyle. Martial arts continue to influence his daily routine, supporting both physical fitness and mental resilience. He enjoys staying active, traveling, and spending time with family and close friends while maintaining a relatively private personal life despite his growing international recognition. His fashion style reflects modern sophistication with effortless simplicity. Whether attending film premieres, press events, or promotional interviews, Dallas frequently chooses clean, contemporary looks that complement his confident yet approachable personality. His evolving style has also attracted increasing attention within the fashion and entertainment industries. Although public curiosity often extends to his personal relationships, Dallas remains respectful of his privacy. Rather than allowing media speculation to define his image, he consistently places the focus on his acting career, personal development, and the stories he hopes to tell through his work. Colleagues often describe him as dedicated, humble, and easy to work with. As of 2026, Dallas Liu's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, major streaming projects, feature films, endorsements, and public appearances. While still early in his career compared with many established Hollywood actors, his growing international popularity and expanding portfolio indicate remarkable long-term potential. What many fans appreciate most is his authenticity. Whether portraying the determined Prince Zuko or appearing in interviews, Dallas projects sincerity and humility that make him genuinely relatable. His performances are driven not by spectacle alone, but by emotional honesty and careful preparation. Dallas Liu's journey continues to evolve with every new project. From a disciplined young martial artist in Los Angeles to portraying one of television's most iconic characters in Avatar, The Last Airbender, his rise reflects perseverance, passion, and unwavering commitment to his craft. As he continues building his career in 2026, he stands as one of Hollywood's most exciting young stars, focused, versatile, and well-positioned for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.